welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you like this content enough that you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys already read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. I did get this unit in 2 days, like no lie, 2 days. And then it was supposed to come on a Saturday. It ended up coming on a Friday. I'm like, good job, Amazon. Y'all did that. So I did get this wig from iSee Hair Company on Amazon. I've done a review on them before, so if you guys want to see that review, I'll definitely link that one down below in the description box so you can check that out as well. It is their 16-inch kinky curly human hair wig, and she's a U-part wig. My first U-part wig. I'm excited. I hope I can slay it. So we just gonna have to see, all right? Y'all coming along with me on this journey, okay? So this is the box that it comes in. When you get the box, you get your wig. You also get a wig cap, and then it's just like a little information card from iSee Hair with all of their social media platforms. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so right out of the packaging, this is how the wig is looking. Such a pretty curl pattern, y'all. Oh my God, that curl pattern is to die for. So this wig is going to come with not your standard combs. It's going to come with 3 combs here for the U part, then 2 on the side and 1 on the back. It also comes with adjustable straps. Now I said this is my first U part wig, but common sense would tell me that I need to go ahead and clip this little piece off, because if I don't, then how my hair gonna cover it? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this off. I'm gonna go ahead and make my leave out for the U part, and we're gonna come back on camera and go ahead and style this bad girl, okay? All right, so off camera, I just went ahead and sectioned this for the U part. This will be my middle part, and then my 2 leave out pieces. And then I just put my hair back because I didn't feel like braiding it. So yeah, let's start.
Blank Beats Production.
My team made this.
Blank Beats Production.
My team made this.
Production.
My teammate this.
Blank Beats Production.
My teammate this.
Alright guys, I am done styling this unit, and y'all, I am amazed at how well this blends in with my natural hair. Like, do y'all see that? Like, oof. Yes, okay? I'm giving y'all real natural teas, okay? So, let's go ahead and talk about the wig. The curl pattern is amazing. Like, this is giving me real, like, natural hair, okay? Like, people might see me in the street and think this, like, my real hair. Like, seriously. So, I freaking love the curl pattern. The cap fits well. What I will say is that I'm probably going to, when I actually like wear it out, I'm going to probably put some braids here to attach the combs. I did add the bobby pin. Good Lord. I couldn't think of it. I did add bobby pins here at the front, just so that as I was raking it out, it wouldn't come out. But the combs will definitely work better once I actually like braid a perimeter around. I just didn't feel like doing all of that. I just wanted to show you guys the wig, you know, all that good stuff. And like I said, this is my first U-part wig, so you know, you learn as you go. So definitely will do that next time around. I am curious to see how it's going to look kind of dry and maybe blown out or like picked out. So I might do that off camera and come back. No, I'm not gonna do it off camera. I'm lying. I'm not gonna do it today. But I will come back and maybe do another video with it fully dried, and once I really have it like secure like I should have it, then maybe we'll do a video for that. But until then, this is what y'all getting. Okay. All right. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the links down below. And yeah, y'all can go ahead and get y'all hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.